It's a very simple program that makes a very big difference. It's called Fuel the Care.
And the Irving Oil Company and all of their staff and associates across the United States and Canada support helping kids and young families get to their doctor's appointment by way of gas cards.
It's very easy for the families. They just go up to the pump, they slide the card in, they get the credit for the $20 in gas, and then they go.
Fuel the Care has touched 10,000 people over a 10-year span, giving away $500,000 worth of gas cards. The Bertolino family is a recipient of this program. When Jessica Bertolino was 17 weeks pregnant, she and her husband Jim learned that their baby had gastroschisis, a condition where the intestinal tract develops outside of the fetus's skin. Typically, the intestines are placed back into the body, but in Isabella's case, her skin pinched off the blood supply, causing some of her intestine to die.
It was scary and unable to really voice what it was like unless you're going through it.
Yeah.
It was awful.
Surreal.
After an emergency C-section, she was life-flighted to Portland, where she underwent surgery to remove 85% of her intestines, leaving Isabella unable to process enough food to sustain herself. Complications followed, and to date, she's had 21 septic infections, which means constant travel between Brewer, Portland, and Boston for 2 years.
What insurance doesn't cover is the cost of living in Portland, living at the hospital, traveling. It's, I think, what, 130 miles down there.
Yeah.
So round trip, you're looking at $260, you know, 3 or 4 times a week, and that is not cheap when gas at the time was $4 a gallon.
Fuel the Care provided them with $700 worth of gas cards. Isabella has been infection-free for over a year. In Brewer, I'm Clay Gordon.